Unexpected blackouts can disrupt daily life, leaving families concerned about comfort, safety, and peace of mind. Choosing the best portable generator for power outages and home emergencies means being ready when every moment counts. This video highlights dependable options that help protect your routine during uncertain situations, giving you confidence, reassurance, and a stronger sense of preparedness for any emergency. Number 1. Durostar DS13000MX13,000 watt 500cc dual fuel generator. 13,000 watts of reliable power for home power backup. Keep your home, job site, or RV powered during storms and outages with dual fuel capability and a heavy-duty build. Dual fuel technology, gasoline or propane. Choose between gasoline for maximum power or propane for longer run times and cleaner emissions, ensuring fuel flexibility in any emergency. CO alert for enhanced safety. Advanced carbon monoxide detection automatically shuts down the generator if dangerous levels are detected, protecting your family from harmful fumes. Push-button electric start and intuitive control panel. Easily start your generator with the push of a button, and quickly switch fuel types using the front-facing fuel selector. Transfer switch ready with 50 amp outlet. Power your entire home by connecting directly to a transfer switch, thanks to the 50A heavy-duty outlet. Rugged all-metal construction, built to last. Designed with a durable steel frame and reinforced power panel, this generator withstands harsh weather and heavy use for years of reliable performance. Number 2. Duramax XP13000A 13,000 watt dual fuel portable generator. With 13,000 watts of power, the XP13000A dual fuel generator will keep your whole home running during a storm or power outage. Duramax is the industry leader in dual fuel portable generator technology, with a full assortment ranging from digital inverters to generators that can power your entire home. At the core of all our products resides a robust Duramax engine. Designed for power, designed to last, the XP13000A comes with a push-button start, a front-facing interface that allows you to change your fuel type in seconds, and a wide variety of outlets, including a transfer switch-ready 50 amp outlet constructed with a heavy-duty all-metal frame and power panel. No plastic parts, built to withstand severe weather and years of heavy wear and tear. Power wherever and whenever you need it. No flat tires roll easily over any terrain. Number 3. Champion Power Equipment 5,000 watt electric start generator. Your 4,000 watt portable generator operates on natural gas, propane, or gasoline, plus natural gas and propane hoses are included, so the unit is ready to run on any fuel right out of the box. Power up the 224cc Champion engine with the handy rocker switch. Battery included. Track voltage, frequency, session run time, and total run time. Plus the all-recognized sensor uses an LED to indicate CO shut-off. 4-volt gasoline, 5,000 starting watts and 4,000 running watts. Propane, 4,500 starting watts and 3,600 running watts. Natural gas, 4,050 starting watts and 3,240 running watts, and engine oil is included. Includes 3-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Number 4. Pulsar PG 5000 Bisco Dual Fuel 30 ARV Ready Inverter Generator. 5,000 watts peak, 4,000 watts rated gas, and 4,500 watts peak, 3,600 watts rated propane, ideal for powering sensitive electronics, and 13,500 BTUs air conditioner units. 3-gallon fuel tank provides up to 9 hours of continuous operation at half-load. Economy mode reduces fuel consumption and operational costs. Quiet operation rated at 65 decibels is ideal for your RV or recreational use. Telescoping handle with wheel kit provides maximum portability and convenience. Parallel capable, allowing you to link 2 generators and and increase your power output. Number 5. Pulsar PGD40 ISCO Ultralight Quiet 4000 watts generator provides 4000 peak watts and 3200 rated watts of power. 1 gallon fuel tank provides 4 hours of run time at half load. Super quiet operation rated at 59 decibels, ideal for emergency power, RVUs, sensitive electronics, and air conditioning units up to 13,500 BTUs. Super quiet operation rated at 59 decibels, parallel ready.